नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी श्री नितीन इंगळे, सहाय्यक शिक्षक, शासकीय निवासशाळा शळद, तालुका बाळापूर, जिल्हा अकोला. आजपासून आपण आपल्या इंग्रजी विषयाच्या अध्यापन कार्यास सुरुवात करत आहोत. आज आपण वर्ग 8वीच्या इंग्रजी विषयाची ओळख करून घेऊयात. यावर्षी वर्ग 8वीला आपल्याला 4 युनिट दिलेले आहेत. युनिट 1, युनिट 2, युनिट 3 आणि युनिट 4. युनिट 1मध्ये 4 लेसन आपल्याला शिकायचे आहेत. युनिट 2मध्ये 5 लेसन शिकायचे आहेत. तर युनिट 3मध्ये 4 लेसन व युनिट 4मध्ये 5 लेसन आपल्याला यावर्षी शिकायचे आहेत. लेट्स लर्न द पोयम. युनिट 1, लेसन 1.1. Be the best. Be the best. If you can't be a pine on the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be then the best little scrub by the side of the hill. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass, and some highway happier make. If you are a muskie, then just be a bass, but the liveliest bass in the lake. We can't all be captains, we have got to be crew. There is something for all of us here. There is big work to do and there is lesser to do, and the task you must do is the near. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Information about poet and theme of the poem. Be the best of whatever you are is an inspirational poem penned by Douglas Mollett. He was an American poet and short story writer, associate editor of American Lumberman, which is an adventure magazine based in Chicago. His poem Be the Best of Whatever You Are show how keenly he observed Mother Nature. The title of the poem itself reveals the meaning of the poem and its concept. He is trying to tell us that whatever we do, we need to be the best. He has used example from the nature to convey his message. The poet wants us to know that no job is less important and we need not to be ashamed of what we are. We must take pride in our job and accomplish it with our best effort. The theme of the poem is inspirational and instructional. Let's learn the poem. Here in the first stanzas. Be the best if you can't be a pine on the top of the hill. Be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the hill. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. Here in the first stanza, poet tells us that to be the best of your kind, he gives us some example from the nature. The poem starts by giving example of nature. The poet says that if you can't be a pine tree standing tall on the top of the hill, then that doesn't mean you are not worthy enough to be a part of the forest. You can always be the best scrub in the valley, beside the rill, making the valley beautiful. The tall pine tree may form large forest, but without scrub by the side of the stream, the valley would lose its charm. So, at least be the best scrub. If you not a pine tree, he is trying to say that. The poet is trying to say that be the best employee. If you can't be the boss, if you can't be the boss, he further adds that if we can't be as strong as a tree, then at least be a bush.